Namaskar bachcho. Today we'll learn the exercise 1.2 of class 10th. This exercise is based on fundamental theorem of arithmetic. And what does it say? It says that every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of its primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Okay? So let's try to understand it. Every composite numbers are the ones which have more than more than two factors in it. ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर्स ऐसे नंबर्स होते हैं जिनमें कि केवल दो ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं, एक तो वन एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, उसके जस्ट अपोजिट नंबर्स आर कंपोजिट नंबर्स. सो कंपोजिट नंबर में दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं, और इनका जब हम फैक्टराइजेशन कर रहे हैं तो इट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में इन्हें एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है कंपोजिट नंबर्स को, एंड ऑल्सो दिस फैक्टराइजेशन विल बी यूनिक. जैसे कि आपने लेट्स टेक नंबर 6, आपने 6 एक नंबर लिया है एंड अनदर नंबर इज 8. ठीक है, तो 6 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होगा? 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. एंड 8 का मल्टी 8 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या होगा? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So likewise, every factorization will be unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. The order of prime factors can vary. So here are some examples, like this number 5313 can be factorized to 3 into 7 into 11 into 23. In the same way, the another number 10,626 can be factorized like this: 2 into 3 into 7 into 11 into 23. You can see both of these numbers are different, the prime factorization will be unique for each of the numbers. Next slide. Now come to the question number 1. It says express each number as a product of its prime factors. Now, it's not a new question for you. You have already learned the prime factorization of the numbers. तो आपको क्या करना है? 140. First question is 140. So you have to take the first part as 140, and you have to do the prime factorization as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And this 2 into 2 can again be written as 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5 into 7. Again, question number second. 156 can be factorized to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. ये आप उसी तरीके से करेंगे जैसे कि हम फैक्टर ट्री बना करके या फिर कॉलम्स बना करके, टेबल बना करके हम लोगों ने 6th class and 7th class में सीखा है. Now 3825 can again be factorized to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So this can be expressed as 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7. So likewise, you can do both of these questions. Now come to the question number second. Question number second says find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. आपको पहले तो इन दो नंबर्स का 26 and 91 का LCM निकालना है, प्रोडक्ट LCM फाइंड आउट करना है, HCF फाइंड आउट करना है, and then you have to verify if that is equal to the product of the two numbers. So let's find the LCM and HCF. First, we have to do the prime factorization. Prime factors of 26 will be 2 into 13 and 91 will be 7 into 13. So HCF means the highest common factor in both of these numbers is 13. Okay, इसलिए HCF will be 13. And LCM LCM of 26 and 91. That means you have to multiply all the numbers and also the common factor will be taken once. तो आप 2 लेंगे because 2 is not common to both of them. 7 and also 13, as 13 is common to both, तो आप इसको केवल एक ही बार लिखेंगे and then multiplication will be, product will be 182. So in order to verify it, take the LHS. I have taken the left hand side first. So left hand side says LCM into HCF. That means LCM is 13 and HCF is 182. So you have to multiply both of these numbers and you will be getting 2366. Now take the RHS side, product of two numbers. What are the two numbers? Numbers are 26 and 91. So you have to multiply both of these numbers and make sure that it is also equal to 2366. As both of these are equal, then it is verified that product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Now again the second question, 510 and 92. You have to find out the prime factors. It will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. You can do it in your copies. 92, 2 into 2 into 23. And the highest common factor in both of them is 2. And now let's take the LCM. LCM में हम जो common factor है उसको एक बार लिखेंगे. And all the numbers which are coming in the both of the factorization. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23, it will give you 23,460. Now for the verification part, again we'll do the same thing as we did in question number first. Taking LHS, you can take the LHS as to 23,460 and HCF का multiply करेंगे, so you will be getting 46,920. And then take the RHS side, that is product of given numbers. Product जो है दोनों numbers का वो क्या है 510 and 92. इन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, you will be getting 46,920. So as both of these are same, so we have verified it. Now question number 7, third is same, so you can note down this question and try to do it by yourself. Prime factors of 336 and 54, you have to find it out. You can take the reference from this question. HCF, when you will see 2 is common to both, and again 3 is also common to both, so the LCM will be, HCF will be 6, and the LCM will be the product of all the numbers including the common factors, so it will be 3024. एंड वेरिफिकेशन पार्ट में आप फिर से एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ को मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे. इट विल बी 18,144 एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज आल्सो 18,144. So hence it's verified. Now come to the question number, next question. Question number third says, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. So method is same, but you have been given two, instead of two numbers you have been given three numbers. ठीक है, तो आपको फिर से prime factors निकालने हैं. 12 के prime factors क्या होते हैं 2 into 2 into 3. 15 के factors क्या होंगे 3 into 5. And 21 के factors क्या होंगे 3 into 7. So in order to find the common factor, तीनों ही numbers में 3, 3 and 3 is coming. So highest common is 3. And LCM will be the product of all the numbers which are coming ones and also which are common. So आपने लिया 2 multiplied by 2. ठीक है. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 will be taken once into 5 into 7, that will be 520. Now come to the next question. 17, 23 and 29. Now you can see that all of these numbers are prime numbers. Okay, so the prime factorization will be just 17 multiplied by 1, 23 multiplied by 1 and 29 multiplied by 1. So the common factor is just 1 and LCM will be the product of all the three numbers 17 into 23 into 29 and it is 11,339. Now come to the next question. That is third part of question number 3, 8, 9 and 25. So first find out the prime factors of all these. 8 के prime factors होंगे 2 into 2 into 2. 3 and 9 will be taken as 3 into 3 and 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So HCF is equal to, there is no common factor in between them. So HCF will obviously 1 and LCM is multiplication of product of all the numbers, all the prime factors. Okay, so it will be 1800 or 1800. Now in question number 4 you are given HCF of 306 and 657. So what are the two numbers 306 and 657 and HCF is equal to 9, so you have to find out the LCM. So we can use the formula HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So let's write given values. HCF is equal to 300, HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9, and where A is equal to, the first number is 306 and the second number is 657. So you have to find out LCM. Now write the formula. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Then LCM, अब आपके पास जो जो वैल्यूज दे रखी हैं वो आप लिख दीजिए. LCM will be can be equal to 306 into 657 upon में HCF. So 306 into 657 upon HCF is given as 9. So we have taken it 9. And then when you will multiply both of these numbers, or you can directly simplify it also, then you will be getting 22,338 as the LCM of the two numbers. Now question number 5 says, check whether 6 raised to the power n, it is 6 raised to the power n, can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So now you can see that when you factorize 6, then you will be getting 2 into 3. Okay. अब if any number ends with digit 0, यदि किसी भी number को digit 0 से end होना है तो उस वो किस से divisible होना चाहिए? It should be divisible by 10, or in other words it will be also be divisible by 2 and 5, as 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So hence the as here the prime factorization of 6 raised to the power n is equal to 2 into 3 raised to the power n. यहाँ पे जो आपको नंबर दे रखा है that is 6 raised to the power n. ठीक है. अब 6 raised to the power n को जब आप prime factors निकालते हैं तो it will be 2 into 3 raised to the power n. So it obviously you can see that there is no 5 in it. इस प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में 5 नहीं दिख रहा है, इसकी वजह से जो आपका digit है ना, 6 raised to the power n can never end with 0. Question number 6, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, there is an expression which is given, and also second expression which you have to prove that both of these are composite numbers. Numbers are of two types, you already know. First one is prime and second one is composite. Now prime numbers can be divided by 1 and only itself, and whereas composite numbers have factors other than 1 and itself. ठीक है. composite numbers में एक से ज्यादा दो से ज्यादा factors होंगे. ठीक है. Now first expression is given as 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So what you can do, this 13 can be taken common. आपने इस 13 को common ले लिया. यहाँ पर first term क्या बच गई 7, second term बच गई into 11, और फिर यहाँ से 13 आपने common ले लिया था. यहाँ plus sign है इसलिए plus sign लगाया, plus यहाँ 13 is taken as common, so यहाँ पर आएगा 1. Again, when you will simplify this number, 7 into 11 will be 77 plus 1, and this will be 13 into 78. When you will factorize it further, it will be 13 into 13 into 6. So you can see that this number is getting factorized into more than two numbers, so it will be equal to 1014. Okay, so you can say 1014 is a composite number as it has 6 and 13 and 13 as its factors. Now second expression is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So what you can do in this case is आप इसमें से 5 को कॉमन ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, इन दोनों ही टर्म्स में से, इस टर्म में से हमने यदि 5 को कॉमन लिया, तो यहाँ पर जो 5 है इसको हम इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus, instead of writing 5 we'll write it as 1 because 5 is already taken the common. So जब आप इनको multiply करके simplify करेंगे, it will be 5 into 1009. Now you can see that this number is a product of two numbers. It will be obviously a composite number. Now question number 7 says, there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive and Ravi takes 12 minutes to drive. So you have to find the same time at the same you have to find the time at which they will meet at the starting point. So obviously you have to find a LCM of 18 and 12 minutes, and you can find it by prime factorization method, and at 12 and 18 will be having the LCM as 36. So after 36 minutes, Ravi and Sonia will meet together at the starting point. You can see the explanation given here for this question. Okay, so next exercise will be continued further. Thank you so much.